Come on. Come on.
Let him swallow.
We should give him a full tube of this, and that's it. Every 10 minutes.
Okay.
He's gonna shit on me. I know it. This is the third time we're feeding him. And that's how he shit on me last time.
It's a good little. You shit on her. It'll be okay.
It's okay.
Guess I'm falling out of his mouth. Oh, no, man, that's his beak.
Come on.
You have a big yellow beak.
Come on. Want some more? Come on. I'm hungry. Come on. Oh, he's like, fuck that.
He's done.
Oh!
Oh.
It's coming out of his beak.
That was your. No, it's not. That's his beak.
It's on the side. Right
Oh,
there.
on the side.
Come on. Come on.
That was funny. You tried taking it away and he like attacked it. He like, it's mine. He's throwing it up.
Really?
I think that's good for now.
You done?